High performance and efficiency, as well as excellent grain quality, are the winning factors that help the X9 series deliver the low harvesting cost per tonne that's so essential in successful harvesting operations. Let us take you on a journey to discover its innermost secrets. The wing movement of plus or minus 10 degrees leads to better ground following and better crop capturing. The projected pivot point technology of the wings enables a tighter reel cutter bar relationship throughout the entire wing range. Wide grain safer belts help to minimize losses in small grain crops like rapeseed to a minimum. The crop is fed head first with support in bushy crops from the fingered auger into the wide feeder house opening. Hydraulic fore-aft tilt control lets the operator adjust the angle of the feeder house on the go for faster harvesting in down crops. The mid-floor pivots to allow more space for high-volume crops. This ensures better crop engagement and a smoother transition through to the rotors. The 8-wing feed accelerator features a chevron pattern. This makes sure that the crop stream is gently pulled apart for an even feeding of the crop into the 2 rotors. Vanes on the front of each rotor ensure a smooth transition of the crop mat into the axial movement and fill the rotors as quickly as possible. Also, due to the counter-rotating rotors, the crop mat is divided without any sharp change in direction. This preserves the straw quality and reduces power and fuel consumption. The proven rotor design with its feeding, threshing and separating zones is carried over from the S series. The crop does 9.5 revolutions in the 3.5 meter rotor, which offers a massive active separation area. The prerequisite for high performance. The crop passes approximately 2.5 times over the threshing concaves, which adds up to a massive threshing surface area. The eccentric shape of the rotor housing with more space at the top creates a pull and release effect as the crop rotates, compressing at the bottom and then releasing at the top. This moves the grain to the outside of the crop flow where it is separated more easily. In high-yielding and high-moisture crops, active concave isolation boosts performance further by maintaining a consistent concave clearance. In the separation area, the crop passes the separation area 7 times, offering a massive separation capacity to cope with tough and wet small grain conditions. The large fingers spaced in a special pattern on the rotor enhance separation, allowing any trapped grain to escape. There is even an additional separation area under the discharge beater to remove those last few grains. A return pan catches all grain from the rotor and returns them to the front of the cleaning shoe. This ensures all materials pass over the entire cleaning shoe area, reducing grain losses even further. The all-new cleaning shoe offers 7 square meters of cleaning shoe area for a superb grain tank sample and a minimum amount of losses. Grain moves from the preparation pan onto an inclined front chaffer, which helps to spread out the material across the cleaning shoe. It also acts as a pre-cleaner. The crop then passes over a large ventilated step to ensure effective pre-cleaning. 4 high-capacity fans provide a constant airflow over the entire cleaning shoe. On rolling fields, Active Terrain Adjust automatically optimizes the cleaning shoe settings to reduce losses and achieve a clean grain tank sample. An active tailings system with smooth rubber paddles threshes the tailings content separately, boosting performance even further without increasing grain damage. The X9 series is also equipped with the revolutionary Kombajn Advisor automation technology. Cameras in the clean grain and tailings elevators continually measure the grain and sample quality. Combined with sensor information about losses, engine and rotor load, this system delivers consistent output in all conditions, no matter who is driving. The massive grain tank is designed for non-stop harvesting. And when it comes to unloading, it only takes 100 seconds to empty 13 tons of grain. Trailer filling is easy too, thanks to the active spout, which allows the operator to direct the grain flow during unloading. The large diameter auger also runs at lower speed, further reducing the potential for grain damage. The auger is fitted with a cross-auger shutoff. This system allows the operator to empty the auger without having to unload the grain tank, greatly reducing wear and tear. Active yield sensors mounted in the grain tank calibrate the yield sensor automatically and continuously. This maximizes the accuracy of your yield maps, generating data you can trust for future decision-making on your fields. For easy residue management, the operator can simply switch from chop to drop at the flick of a switch. The 124-knife chopper offers superb chopping quality, and thanks to the remote adjustable counter knives, chopping intensity can be varied on the go to match the conditions. Mechanically driven straw spreader paddles blow the straw equally up to 15 meters wide. The X9 series, performance efficiency, grain quality with industry-leading precision ag technology.